Hey there, how you guys doing, my sexy welding people from YouTube? Today, Manny is gonna go job hunting. That's right. So we're gonna try to find a job, and we'll see how it goes. We're just gonna go to local shops here in Phoenix and see what they're hiring for right now. All right, let's go, guys. See what we can find. So this is Captain Manny. You know, I went to welding school, practiced a little bit after a couple months of not welding at all. And we're gonna see, I'm gonna try to stay local, guys, for a little bit. Because back east is super cold. It's too cold right now. So we're gonna try to find a job here in Phoenix. Hopefully we'll find one. And we're gonna try to stay here. So I'll keep you updated what kind of weld test I did. Maybe I'll end up just being a helper. Nah, just kidding. We'll try to do weld test and pass it. Alright, maybe probably MIG, because Phoenix, there's a lot of MIG here in Phoenix. Maybe stick structure. Maybe we'll even do some pipe. Who knows? We'll see what the companies are doing here. So I'm gonna check out this company in Mesa, and we'll see how it goes. All right. So we got to the first company here. We're gonna see what's up. All right, let's go check it out. So I'm gonna go in there, guys, and tell them that I'm Captain Money, and they'll hire me right away. Let's see. All right, guys. So they gave me this phone number to call and set up for a weld test. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh my gosh. It's been a while since I've done a weld test, so let's give it a call. I came back with the weld test, that's right. So now we're gonna have to get ready for the weld test. I have never done this weld test before, like I mentioned in my other video. They call it 6GR. I've been trying to do some search on it on YouTube, and I was like, a la madre, there's nothing in there, you know? There's like one or two videos in there, and they're just people welding. There's not really that much information. And I guess you can do it with stick. I saw some guys do it with stick. And this particular one is gonna be with wire. Dual to be specific. Nothing's easy in this life, guys. So now I have to take this test, and I bought 75-25, which is 75% argon, 25% CO2, which is carbon dioxide. That's right, this bad boy right here, I got a good deal. Alright, so I had a little bottle of argon, but 75-25 is what the recommend for dual shield. You can, well, it depends on the wire, but that's what they recommend. There's a bunch of dual shield wires, guys. I have a whole book right here of consumables that I got for my local welding supply here in Phoenix. They were very friendly, but the wire that we're gonna be using is the 71 amp right here. So that's what it recommends. So that's what I have here, and we're gonna be using my MIG machine right here. So we'll see how it goes. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is a picture of the test, guys. It's a 6G position with a restriction ring. One side is bevel, the other pipe is not. Kind of weird. And this is actually a picture of how it looks like. Yep, it's just the test that I'm doing is a 6-inch schedule, 40 pipe. And like I said before, I bought this bottle of 75% argon, 25% CO2. That's right. And this is the auto shield 71 m wire that, man, I went through all the city of Phoenix to find it. uh, they did have it and big rolls, but as you can see here, my 210 MP welding machine uses small 10 pound rolls, so it was fucking hard to find it, but I found it. So I'm just hooking up my gas right there to the machine, showing you guys how I set up my welder right here, getting this lid off, plastic off, and obviously you need a regulator. And right here, what we're doing is just getting hooking up the hose into the welder machine. And I have just regular flux core wire on my welder machine, which I use, because flux core wire doesn't need gas compared to this one that does flux core dusha wire. So this 71 m does need um, gas. This is a 0.035 wire. The one we're gonna be using is 0.45 wire. But this book that the friendly guys from my local welding supply give me, they'll tell you a bunch of details about the wire, like right here, which says um, you can use 100% CO2, 75-25. It also tells you the flow rate, which is 640 to 50 right there, and also tell you right here weld all positions except vertical down. This is pretty much like 70-18, guys, the way I feel it. All right. Also, it tells you the 0.35 wire. It tells you the temperature, 19 to 25, or the amperage, the voltage. Um, Also the wire speed that you need, for if you're gonna be like that, doing 300 or 400 wire speed, you should do this temperature right here. So this welding book is pretty handy, you know. If you don't know, like me, you know, it was a while since I welded, so, and then I started welding and this happened. It fucking sucked, guys. It's been a while since I weld wire, um, so I had to go in there and fix it. Kind of got shrinkled a couple times, but right here I'm doing a vertical up and came out right. I was just testing the machine, my setup. Look alright, and so what I did is just put T joints and do vertical up all night. Um, and this one came out a little bit better than the other one, as you can see here. I was just doing side to side, just like 70-18, guys, almost the same. You want to have your wire like 3/4, half inch to 3/4 away from the plate. You don't want to be like, how 70-18, you put it real close. Right here, I put a piece of pipe and a 45 angle right here, so just to do some drum beats, run some couple beats um, on the pipe. So when I'm going on the left right here, you guys, I'm gonna go counterwise, or clockwise, sorry. And on this other side, I'm gonna go counterwise. All right. So if you go on this left side, you go clockwise, and on the right side, you're gonna go counterwise. That's it. And you're gonna wanna be half inch to 3/4. Like that distance right there is like half inch, but you can go up to 3/4. The distance from the tip to the whatever you're welding. So you don't wanna have it too close to your plate or your pipe or whatever you're doing. So that's when I'll be doing this practice, because when I went to welding school, they teach us how to weld with dual shoe, but never really got to any weld test with it until now. My setup right here is 332 um, wire speed and 22.5. I had the I had a I had a negative current, which is not right. It should be positive. So I switch it back to positive. So my ground is in the negative and the gun is in the positive, guys. And I just keep welding and welding and welding pipe and plates and pipe and plates all night, guys. So we'll see how we do. So stay tuned for more videos from Captain Manny. I'll be doing a video if I pass or if I fail. I'll do another video. Okay, bye. Captain Money.